Hey y'all, this is Charlie with Charlie Smoking Barbecue. Got home today and we got a package in the mail. We're going to do a little unboxing today, but I want to let you know about this package. The other day, I got an email from a lady named Rachel Reed. And on her email, she said, Charlie, we love your videos. And then she introduced herself that she was Rachel Reed. And she runs How to Barbecue Right. She is Malcolm Reed's wife. And she said that Malcolm asked her to get a hold of me because he wanted to send me some products. And just so happens today is my birthday. And what a neat present to get for Malcolm Reed and his wonderful wife, Rachel. I do want to thank both of you guys very much. So we're going to do this unboxing right now and show you all what we got. All right, y'all. Here it is. How to barbecue right. That's kind of cool. Wow. We got a Killer Hogs hat. Oh, you know I'm going to use that. Love that thing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We got a t-shirt, Killer Hogs Barbecue. Perfect. I love that shirt. I'm going to use that. I'll be wearing that in one of my videos. Wow, he sent a lot of stuff. Malcolm, thank you very much. Rachel, thank you. The Killer Hogs Barbecue, the barbecue rub. Killer Hogs Barbecue hot barbecue rub. Oh, right on. The AP rub, I've been wanting to see this. And the hot barbecue rub. I've been wanting to try both of those. I've had the opportunity. You guys saw me do some ribs with this. The barbecue sauce. Guys, you have to have this sauce and his products. Oh my gosh. This is to die for right here. I wonder if he put this in this wrapper because it's really hot. This is his hot sauce. So we're going to give a little try to this also. Thank you so much. All right, so guys, got a little announcement we're gonna do here. We'll be right back. Well, Malcolm, Rachel, thank you very much. I can't put it all in my hands, but all of it is I am so grateful to both of you for what you've sent me. Malcolm, thank you very much. On behalf of all of the YouTube community and everyone that does barbecue, we all love everything that you do. You've shown everybody so much. So I want to put out a real big thank you to you and to thank you for all this stuff. All right, so here it is. My brother-in-law and I are entering a contest on March 3rd. And we're going to be doing a barbecue contest with, we're doing brisket, we're doing ribs, whole chicken, and then we have to make a margarita. So, I'm going to feature the ribs that we did, and Malcolm's ribs out here. Hopefully I do you justice. And so look forward to that video. We got that coming out. Once again, I do want to thank you, Malcolm and Rachel. Much appreciated. God bless both of you. And God bless everybody in the YouTube community. Thank you very much. And this is Charlie with Charlie's Smoking Barbecue. And we thank you for watching. And if you like what we're doing here, y'all, please subscribe. Please hit that thumbs up button. And tell all your friends on social media. Once again, thank you for watching Charlie's Smoking Barbecue. Y'all come back and see us. Now you hear.